Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Reno 5 Lite, and I'll show you how to customize volume panels on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store, and here in the search pool just type the volume panels. Now we just will get, for example, this application, and we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a few seconds while application installing on your device. Now just tap to open, and here on the right upper corner tap to start. Now just confirm the permissions. Here just tap to switcher to the volume styles, and now just click yes, I agree. And as can you see, right now we got all the available volume panels. You can select one from these panels. For example, we will try the Apple one, the iOS one, and now as can you see, that's really close to the iOS volume panel. For example, we'll try the waves, and as can you see, that's really worked. If you want, you can just select another volume panel, and if you just wanna stop this, you just tap here. You have to tap here on the stop, and as can you see, right now you got your default volume panel on your device. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.